Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make tasty yellow cucumber dal recipe. Usually served along with rice for best taste. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 1 cup of toor dal, 1.5 cup of yellow cucumber, 1 sliced onion, 1 sliced tomato, 4 green chilli slits, 5 garlics, 1 sprig of curry leaves, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 cups of water. Mix it well. Close the lid. Cook for 3 whistles on medium flame. After 3 whistles, switch off the flame. Leave it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Everything has cooked well. For seasoning, in a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds, after mustard seeds spluttering, keep it low flame. Then add half teaspoon cumin seeds and wait 10 seconds. Now add 3 red chilies cut into half.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Eight sliced shallots, 1 sprig of curry leaves. Mix it well. Serve it on medium flame for 5 minutes until shallots change to light golden color. When the color changes, switch off the flame. Then add the cooked dal to it. Mix it well. Tasty yellow cucumber dal recipe is ready. The combination of dal and cucumber gives very unique taste.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.